We're here March 12th on Thursday talking about the best news from Dexa that I've heard. And I'll leave you to decide if this is the best news you guys have had. But if you could share what the latest and greatest is with Dexa as of yesterday.
So it was announced that we are going live with Grubhub in the Northeast, right outside of New York City. Wonder is just bought Grubhub, and it's run by a really amazing person named Mark Laurie, and he is really building a lot of these stores in the city and cities all around the country. And what's amazing about us is that we were the only drone company that said we want to go into these urban areas. We know that even if you can get to the store, you might not be able to park there. And we were the only ones that understood that, as you know, me being a lifelong New Yorker. And that's why this is the first drone delivery that everybody in the Northeast will be able to see and be able to go out and be a part of. So
How long does this
announcement
process take to get to where we are right now?
Since we began speaking with them, it's a year and a half.
A year and a half. So
Yeah.
you've been on pins and needles, and now you're super excited?
Super excited, having to get all the approvals from the FAA, having to get, all of our team trained to the level that we are as an airline. So much work went into it, but this is the hardest, most difficult environment to work in. The airspace congestion. I mean, there are 3 major airports just in New York City.
Right.
So right in that area. So Dexa is going to go the distance because we've chosen the hardest path. It's also cold there. We're not flying in Dallas. We're flying somewhere where this is really going to teach us to, right out of the gate, have the most difficult learning. And that's only going to make it easier for us to expand nationwide.
Well, I'm excited that you're excited. We're all excited. All the investors are excited. I probably should have said this on a previous video, but I think it's just as important on this one. You have a great Instagram follow. I encourage, I'm sure we'll put here at the bottom, your Instagram handle.
Yes.
It is so fun to watch. Both you as female CEO, but also seeing what your company's doing is really cool. But one thing that really I thought was part of changing lives outside of anything financial that an investor can get is I love that when you guys were 3 feet in the snow and no one can deliver anything online or on a car, you guys are able to deliver, a sick child's NyQuil or medicine, or a very thirsty person's 6-pack of beer, whatever the case may be.
Right.
You guys can do that. And I think that really is changing lives. And I love to see it. I'm really excited about that because in weather conditions or in terrible times where people have to, can you imagine this during COVID? I mean, seriously, it'd be crazy, right?
Right.
So people are sheltering in place and you're dropping off, necessities, water or whatever. So I think it's great. And I just wanted to applaud you for what you guys have done.
Yeah, getting off the roads, being able to do this in not just in bad weather. People just have circumstances where they can't leave their home. And it's going to change everything for these people. So, but yeah, especially the blizzard that just happened in New York, it shows like something's got to give. You got to have something that can get people what they need without having to put them in a car and put them in harm's way in the middle of this snowstorm.
So, shameless plug here. Coming soon, Dexa will be able to deliver a Golden Eagle vodka, a strong coffee, some deliverance, and any pig swag that is available. So thank you, Beth from Dexa. We love you.